Sandy, Mike and Liz, Jeff and Shirley, and we're heading out to our first adventure together on this trip. We're going to go to the Fortress of Louisbourg. So we've driven from Mirror River Provincial Park to the town of Louisbourg. Here is a beautiful view of the bay here and Fortress Louisbourg across the water. That's where we're headed. So here is the main building where you walk into, and you're going to buy your tickets to tour the Fortress of Louisbourg. We have the perfect day for touring. We all have on our expedition shirts, and we're ready.
Good morning. How are you? Welcome to the Fortress of Louisbourg.
Maybe we'll have to look for it.
Cabbage. Sorry, you're getting garden first. Up the potting shed.
That's fine. Yeah, my employer is a captain in the military, and this is the house he shares with his wife, Elizabeth de Catalogne, and 6 children. So the family has 5 little girls and a little boy. So the oldest is 13, and the youngest was born at the end of April. And the children are confined to the kitchen.
Really?
Yes, this is the adult room of the house. So it's the couple's bedroom, it's their leisure room, an office for the captain, and it's their dining area as well. So parents don't eat with children when they're as young as the children in this family, because dinner is a form of entertainment. And you don't want a 3-year-old squirming and yelping and spilling things. That's not very entertaining for anybody. So the children eat in the kitchen, and as servants in this house, we supervise them and teach them the beginnings of table manners. And then as they get into their teens, their mother will bring them in here for a dinner now and again to refine that training. This family's upper class, but they've chosen to build a very simple home because of the weather that we have here in the winter. A wooden structure with low ceilings and limited rooms is using firewood more efficiently and costing them less money over the course of the winter. But the captain is certainly well-to-do. He has investments here in the colony. He has a rental property, which is the building that's just next door to us, going down the street. And he also has an investment in a trading ship as well. So, with fire.
You know, even I don't have a really good idea just how much work they had to do, because
But they were up very early.
they'd be up early, they'd be working hard. You would recognize soldiers off duty by the crippling injuries that they'd be living with. You know, poorly healed bone fractures would mean disfigured arms and legs and feet.
Was there a doctor's barracks?
Well, there's no doctor. There was a hospital here.
There was a
The
hospital, but
largest
no doctor.
Oh, there were doctors too.
Oh, okay.
They had the largest hospital in the New World down here.
Oh,
and it's a
okay.
military hospital, so many of these men would go there. But
The hospital.
This is the governor's apartment in the bastion at Fortress of Louisbourg. Here would be his dining room. This is part of his apartment. These are all reproductions of what they have found out that they would have had here. They have used historical documents as well as excavating the site to figure out what this would have looked like in 1744. And here you have another bedroom. Aha, this was the governor's private bedroom.
I'm here to buy things. I'm here shopping. I don't live on this island. I'm from another island in the same colony. And I'm a fisherman, a fishing proprietor. And I need supplies to get through the winter. And I've sailed over to do some negotiating with the merchants in town here. We don't have shops and whatnot over there. And so
Okay, here is an excavation of the Faisal family's house. It was built in the late 1730s.
What is it? Remains of a foundation?
Uh-huh.
Or house visit?
Here's another foundation. This is the Lapanat family. Their servant that they had, Marie Marguerite Rose, was a slave who came here, was freed in 1755. And then she became the first black woman to run a business in what is now Canada. And she married a native Canadian from the Mi'kmaq tribe. Okay.
First work.
Now we're going into the tunnel in Fort Louisbourg. You never know what you could find in the tunnel.
Oh, it's a good.
Where's the dip?
There's a dip.
There's no dip on the right.
And then we come out the other end of the tunnel. I think this was so that you could get in and out of the fortress.
And there's Liz.
And there's Liz. We found her.
Oh, it is? We can't. It looks like there's something jumping in the, either bugs or fish.
So now we're headed into another little part of Fortress Louisbourg. This is the Dauphine Demi Bastion. So it's another little bastion, another little place where you can protect the fort.
Many more cannons here.
There. Now I knew there was somewhere by the beach on the water. There was a house with a fisherman.